Hi, my name is Dr. John Six, Chief Medical Officer and Vice President of Medical Affairs. It is my honor today to provide you with some updates about the Washington health system and also what's going on in the world around us. Once again, our focus today will be on COVID-19. U.S. COVID cases, hospitalizations, and deaths continue to be on the decline, but in some parts of the country, including Washington and Greene counties, we continue to maintain substantial transmission. Over the last week in Washington County, we've had a 9.9% positivity rate, which is about a 1% decrease from last month. And in Greene County, the COVID positivity rate is about 10.4%, which is about 1% higher than last month. According to the CDC, as of last week, 221 million people have received at least one COVID vaccine, and 191 million people in the United States are fully vaccinated. Additionally, 15 million people in the United States have received the COVID vaccine booster. For pediatric vaccinations, this past Tuesday, November 2nd, a smaller two-dose series of the COVID vaccine was authorized for emergency use by the FDA and the CDC for children aged 5 to 11. If you're interested in having your child vaccinated, Washington Health System will be holding special vaccine clinics for those aged 5 to 11. Pediatric vaccine clinics will be held on Saturday, November 13th, and also Saturday, December 11th, from 8 to noon at the Washington Hospital. The pediatric clinics will be walk-in only. No appointment will be necessary for your child that's age 5 to 11. If you are 12 or older, you will need to come to the clinic that is for those that are 12 and older, and this separation is because the doses differ between the 5 and 11 group and those that are 12 and older. When you bring your child in for a vaccination, please remember that a parent or legal guardian must be present and you must bring a photo ID. And please also remember that masking is required in all Washington Health System facilities. For future pediatric dates and times, please either follow us on our Facebook page or join us on our website at whs.org/vaccine. For adult boosters, Washington Health System continues to offer the Pfizer COVID vaccine for individuals that are 18 or older for their booster, or those that are 12 or older interested in their first or second vaccine. Both locations, Washington Health System and Washington Health System Greene, are walk-in clinics. No appointment is necessary. Please check us at our website for open hours, and please also try to remember to bring your vaccine card with you, and that masking is required in all of our facilities. To date, we've administered over 65,000 COVID vaccines and more than 5,000 since reopening our clinic, and we want to emphasize the importance of vaccinating the unvaccinated. In talking with people in our community, there continues to be some confusion about the COVID booster shots. So to clarify, if you have received either the Pfizer or the Moderna vaccine and it has been 6 months since your second dose, you're eligible for a booster if you're 65 or older, if you're 18 or older and live in a long-term care facility, if you're 18 or older with an underlying medical condition, or if you're 18 or older and live or work in a high-risk setting. If you receive the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, you are eligible for a booster 2 months after your first vaccine if you're 18 and older. And please remember, Washington Health System is administering the Pfizer vaccine. For the month of November, I want to thank our military veterans for their service in the U.S. Armed Forces. Veterans Day is Thursday, November 11th. Our Washington Health System PFCC will be handing out hats to our veterans between 11 and 1 in our PFCC Family Patient Lounge, and this is to help honor our patients, employees, and visitors who have served in the armed forces. In closing, I wanted to thank you for joining us today. I hope that you found this information helpful and that you'll join us for our next video on Friday, December 3rd. In the meantime, I hope that you have a safe and happy Thanksgiving holiday. Thank you.